Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Resident Evil 4 Remake's exciting separate ways downloadable content. First, ensure you have purchased and downloaded the expansion from your preferred digital storefront. Once installed, simply launch the main Resident Evil 4 Remake game. From the title screen, you will find a new option clearly labeled Separate Ways. Select this to immediately jump into Ada Wong's thrilling, parallel storyline, offering a fresh perspective on the familiar events. Ada Wong brings a distinct playstyle to the Resident Evil 4 universe. Her signature grapple gun is a game changer, allowing you to quickly cross gaps, reach elevated areas, and even pull enemies closer for a swift takedown. Stealth is also a crucial element. Use it to conserve ammunition and avoid unnecessary confrontations. Practice her unique melee attacks and the quick-turn ability to effectively manage groups of enemies and maintain control during intense encounters. Prepare for fresh challenges as you progress through Separate Ways. You will face new enemy types and encounter familiar bosses with altered attack patterns, requiring different strategies. The environments you thought you knew will present new pathways and objectives, adding a layer of discovery. Resource management is even more critical here. Carefully consider when to use your precious ammunition and healing items, and make the most of the crafting system to stay prepared. To truly master Separate Ways, exploration is key. Search every nook and cranny for hidden treasures, which can be sold to the merchant for pesetas, allowing you to upgrade Ada's arsenal. Prioritize upgrading her weapons and, importantly, her grapple gun, as its combat utility increases significantly. Don't be afraid to experiment with different weapon combinations to find what works best for your playstyle and the specific challenges you face throughout the campaign.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.